How you doing, everybody? 2018 Ford Raptor, Shadow Black, 802A package. Also got the 17-inch bead lock rims. Went for the twin panel moonroof as well. I blacked out the windows, 15% tint all the way around. Got some graphics on the Ford emblems in the front and rear. That's from Rappy graphics. Got my dirt bike at home, so I went and got the ramps. Came from the factory. Also the spray and bed liner. Came just like this. Of course, I haven't used them yet. Nice and clean. I've had the truck for about a month, probably 3 weeks, before I did some upgrades. Of course, the windows, and if you could tell, 15% all the way around, but I don't know if you can tell, but the rear windows on the doors and also the rear window look a little darker because it went 15% right over the factory tint. I just got the 15% in the front windows. You can kind of see it. You can probably tell that there's a 2.5-inch coils, Eibach coils I put on there. And you can see what that looks like. Alright. Take a look inside. Again, 802A. Also upgrade the sound. So 8-inch JL audio subwoofers fit perfectly underneath the seat. Sounds wonderful with the B&O stereo. Also went for the heated seats for my daughters. Also got the carbon fiber package, which I wasn't going to do it first. Like one last minute kind of a thing, and glad I did because it really looks nice on all the panels they put. I mean, that's a few panels, but it really makes it look clean in here. See if I can get you the moonroof, sunroof, whatever they're calling it these days. I can open it up. Those beautiful days in Las Vegas. All 3 of them. Alright, close that up. Turn this bad boy on. Show you all the other stuff I did. I'll just talk about it. How's that? It's my Ngauge tuner that I got from 5-Star Tuning. Also put in, got the AFE downpipes, and I also got the Borla ATAK. And when I turn this on, you're gonna see how crazily, ridiculously loud it is. Kind of thinking I should have went with the S-type. I couldn't really tell, but I think what I did was when I did downpipes. I also got the SPD adapters on the turbos, and so I pretty much did all from the turbos all the way back. That made a big difference in the sound, and so I bought an extra resonator. I think next week we're gonna have them put that in, just to try to get this thing quiet down a little bit. It's pretty ridiculous. Also, did an intake. Tell you what, let me see if I can turn these lights on. I know I'm jumping around everywhere, but before I get to the lights, let me see if I can open the engine bay here, and I'll show you what the intake. I went the momentum intake from what was it, AFE, I think it is, and that's pretty badass. How do I open my trunk? Anybody know? I guess like that. So that's how that looks. This thing sounds absolutely mean. With the intake, got the Wagner Intercooler, which you can see it there. Maybe, I don't know. Well, duh, can't see that. It's in there somewhere. Anyway, believe me, it's there. Wagner Intercooler, the intake. I got the blow-off valve from Turbosmart, which is ridiculously loud as well. Also got some lights, Baja Design. I got a spot and floods. So the one on the outside is a legal spotlight. I'm sorry, legal fog light. And then I got the reversers, but I didn't hook them up to reverse. Yeah, those slide right here. Those ramps. Anyway, close this up, turn this light off. There's the back rear lights from Baja Design. They're pretty ridiculously bright. I go ahead and throw them all on. Of course, I'll probably drain my battery and have to walk home. But, yeah. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty ridiculous. I'm very happy with this so far. What else did I do to it? All right, kind of all over the place, right? I think I talked about, I got a catch can in there from UPR. And those are the ridiculously bright spot and fog. Pretty badass truck. Again, it's loud and it's a rocket. Would love to do the turbos, but I don't know if I want to tackle that. Maybe next year when I get bored. I don't know. All right, let's see what this thing does, huh? Let me get it started. This is with all the windows closed. All right, turn that off. There we go. All right, bear with me. All right, we are ready to go. I'm just playing with my tuner, sorry. They got distracted. Turn some gauges on. All right. Connecting. It's got a couple of gauges in there. The tune's already in there. 91 octane tune. I'm gonna rev it a little bit. Count in 4 all. Rev it a little bit. See if you can hear it. You can hear that blow-off valve a little bit. Alright, we'll roll down the windows. Front, rear, the back window, and then put this down, put my seatbelt on, take it for a little ride. I'll let you guys hear it and see how it goes. Low rev before we go. the window. Let's see if you can hear it. It's pretty ridiculous. A little too loud. Alright, I'm going to close the windows so you guys can hear it. What it sounds like in the cab, at least best you can. So when I bought the ATAK, I did exactly what you're probably doing, looking at reviews, and the ATAK sounded awesome, but I guess I didn't find anyone. One guy, I think Rahul out there, I think if I said your name right. Anyway, you'll find him out there. He had a beautiful truck. He had, I think, kook downpipes. Anyway, you can't really tell until you put this thing together and just drive it. It's ridiculously loud. It sounds mean as hell. It's great. If I was 18 years old, but I'm thinking about buying a sedan now so I can drive my wife to dinner. Because I don't want to drive her in this thing. Anyway, okay. I'm coming out here. I got the. Let's see. We're in 4-wheel drive. I'll go and take it out of 4-wheel, 4-all at least. I'll put it in sport mode. Let's see if it tells any difference. Someone's coming up behind me. Let them pass before I do this. Alright, this is from stop, speed up, you can listen to it. I'll just go ahead and just floor it. Yep, pretty ridiculous. Alright, now I'm going to turn around and put the windows down. Alright, let's try this again. All the windows down for your listening pleasure. Alright, let's do it one more time. Let's see what happens. Yeah, a little bit annoying for the wife, not for me. Alright, anyway, that's my 14 minute video. Hope you liked it, hope it helped out. Got any questions, let me know. I'll put everything in the bottom here and list it, all my stuff I added. Alright, see ya.